Hey you guys, it's Adrian and welcome back to the channel. Okay, the location has changed because I'm on my terrace because there's a lot of noise in my house. Here also there's noise, but it's manageable. So, this is the last video on my channel till April. As I promised, I will upload this video by 15th. I don't know what's the day today, but today is Saturday, so I'm shooting it Saturday. So hopefully I'll upload it today night and then I'm studying. I didn't finish studying, but still I'm vlogging because like most of my friends were like, when is the last video, when is the last video, when are you posting it? So I'm doing this for them and for me. Yeah, and those who don't want to watch it, don't watch it. I'm not forcing anybody. Okay, so since I've noticed that I have the highest views on my first video, which is a vlog, so I thought, okay, let me do another vlog. And in this vlog, y'all are going to be with me the entire day. Like y'all are going to see whatever I'm doing the entire day. And plus there's another thing in this vlog, that is spending the whole day with only 100 rupees. For making this video interesting, I didn't have anything. Like I just woke up, I drank Sprite. I know nobody does that, but I did do that. I drank Sprite, I didn't have my breakfast, and I'm shooting the video because, fun fact, I feel hungry 24/7. So this video is going to be challenging for me. And another fun fact is I have no money except for that 100 rupees. Like I have only 100 rupees. Let me show. I have money that is only 50 rupees, 50, 20, 20, 10. And the reason why I have this money in change is because of the bus conductor. They'll shout if I give 100 rupees ka note to them. So that's why I have it in change. So enough of talking. I'm going to the library. It's 11:20 now. So I'll keep you all updated the whole day. And yeah, I'm going to the library. I'll meet you all there, okay? Bye. Guys, I finally reached the library. I know it doesn't take this long, but I'm lazy. That's why I took a big turn and then directly stopped near the library. And so this is the library and I'm going inside. I'll catch you later. People are staring. I have already reached the library, okay, and fuck, it is so silent here. I can't even talk loudly and I already regret coming here, but then I need to study. Okay, so it is 12:17 now. I will study and I'll meet you all around 1:30, that is for lunch. Okay, till then, bye. I need to study. Bye.
2 hours later.
Guess who is finally out from that library. I couldn't sit there for long and I'm very hungry, but I don't regret going there because I studied. So we are going to CC with 90 rupees. I am in the food court, that's why there's a lot of noise here, and I am thinking I'm very hungry. But keeping the money in mind, keeping the 90 rupees in mind, I'm thinking of going and eating a softie or something. So I'll get a softie and I'll catch you all back, okay? Bye. I think I keep telling this okay bye a lot, like I shouldn't tell, and even I keep telling so I shouldn't do that. Time right now is 2:11. I was supposed to eat my lunch at 1:30, but I was busy studying, so it is 2:11 and people are staring at me. So now I'm going to have lunch, that is an ice cream, or 20 rupee ice cream, which is very nice, so it's not a problem. So I'm gonna catch you later. There's something going on. I'll show you all what if I get to see. I think there's some guy won some election and they're all celebrating that. A thicker person, no, for me. I just went there like that and I came. They all are staring at me. It's okay. I don't give a shit to them. I'm walking like my Abba's road. I'll catch you in Kadri Park. Okay, bye. I finally reached Kadri Park. It is 3:41 and it was late because there was no bus. And I can find here many people. I don't want to be where people are there. Lot of people here, like students and shit. And it's nice to be here. At least seeing them is better than seeing couples making out. I need to find a place to sit and study. And I don't know what am I doing. Finally found a place to sit and study, and the time right now is 3:53. and around 4:30 we are leaving, and from 100 rupees only 20 rupees is remaining now, and that is to go home. So I hope I make it empty stomach till home. If not, I don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, we are studying now, focusing on studying and not focusing on anybody making out. We are sitting somewhere where we can't see anybody. That's one plus point. But if you go to notice, you can find people, but I'm not noticing. I need to concentrate on my books.
6.5 hours later.
My 4:30 became 5:30 because I was on Omegle. I was talking to people on Omegle, and that's why I'm late, and now I have to go home. I had a practice, but I'm not going there. I'm going home with 20 rupees, and I have the feeling I'll save 10 rupees. If I save 10 rupees, it's a victory. But you know, money doesn't get saved in my hands, so I may eat something if there is. What am I doing? So you gotta bear me till I reach home. And if you can't bear me, then skip the video. Don't watch. I don't mind. Yeah, whatever. So I'll catch y'all once I reach home. Okay? Bye. So the reason why I'm not wearing a mask because I reached my house almost. And I'm very pissed because that bus conductor, he took 13 rupees from me, and with the remaining money I bought a candy and polo. This is my boyfriend. Say hi. So yeah, I'm getting angry on that conductor, and he was acting like a joke. That's why I don't know. So yeah, I couldn't say anything from the 100 rupees. And there's this uncle behind there. He was staring at me. I don't know why. So yeah, this is the end of the vlog, and I'll meet y'all after my exams. I'm going to top, by the way. No, I'm just kidding. Bye.